Turn to page 763. Anybody caught it on the bus IT? This is section 24.1, a strategy for life. Key concepts. What are the two major types of cells that occur in nature? What compound is reduced during photosynthesis? What compounds are formed? Vocabulary. Photosynthesis.
Connecting to your world. The air you breathe is composed mainly of nitrogen and oxygen. Earth's early atmosphere may have been very different and most inhospitable to life. It is thought that the atmosphere changed over time as a result of photosynthesis, a process carried out by green organisms such as these cyanobacteria. One of the products of photosynthesis is oxygen, which accumulated in the atmosphere and changed the composition of air. In this section, you will learn about the characteristics of living things, including the organisms in which photosynthesis occurs.
The structure of cells. Two major cell types occur in nature: the cells of bacteria, known as prokaryotic cells, and the cells of all other organisms, known as eukaryotic cells. The energy and carbon cycle. Photosynthesis uses the energy from sunlight to reduce the carbon dioxide to compounds that contain CH bonds, mainly in the form of glucose, C6H12O6. Pics. Figure 24.1. Typical prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells are shown here. Note that only the eukaryotic cell has a nucleus. Comparing and contrasting, how do prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells compare in size?
Figure 24.2. The reactions of photosynthesis take place on the inner membranes and in the spaces between membranes of a chloroplast.
Figure 24.3. In the energy and carbon cycle, photosynthesis and oxidation of glucose are responsible for the major transformations and movements of carbon. Plants such as rainforest trees release oxygen into the atmosphere through photosynthesis. Interpreting diagrams. In which part of the cycle is oxygen released? Now for notes, 24.1. You're going to draw figure 24.3 and write down the two chemical equations for photosynthesis and cellular respiration on 764.
Okay, and the question is, which of the following is not contained in a prokaryotic cell? And then it's nucleus.
That's from the test.
Oh. Questions and RQs because we did the notes yesterday.
Okay, so for the RQs, yeah. Number 1 says,
Okay. What two types of cells occur in nature?
okay,
Turn to the
there
first
we go.
stage. Two major cells type capital T.
Oh.
Section 24.1 RQ 1 and 2. Page
765.
765. There we go.
Okay. Number 1.
I forgot.
What two types of cells occur in nature? Okay. Capital T. The. You got that? You need me to spell it for you guys?
Two majors.
Okay. The two major cells types occur in nature. Do I need to repeat myself? No? Good? Okay.
That occur in nature?
No. Types
coal.
occur in nature.
What's the noise? No.
Cool.
No, this is two dots.
Colon.
The cells of bacteria, comma, known as
Prokaryotic cells.
Why am I so lost?
It's on page
It's on page 763. It's the
the
bold.
first.
It's the little red key
Oh.
next to it.
We
The
only have
bold.
two.
We only did the bold.
That's the
says
answer
the
for number
answers.
one.
Okay. In the cells of all other organisms, comma, known as eukaryote cells.
Put.
Period.
Period.
Pajamas.
Okay, everybody ready to move on?
No.
Notes on
Question 2.
number 2. What chemical changes occur during photosynthesis?
And the answer is the other bold.
Capital P. Photosynthesis uses the energy from sunlight to reduce carbon dioxide to compounds that contain CH bonds, comma, mainly in forms of glucose. And in parentheses, open parentheses, C6, H12, O6, close parentheses. Period.
Pajamas.
Yay.
Good job, class.